ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
وستون
67.
67.
ضمائر الملكية 2
Possessive pronouns 2.
Possessive pronouns 2.
النظارة
The glasses.
The glasses.
لقد نسي نظارته.
He has forgotten his glasses.
He has forgotten his glasses.
أين ترك نظارته يا ترى؟
Where has he left his glasses?
Where has he left his glasses?
الساعة
The clock.
The clock.
الساعة عاطلة.
His clock isn't working.
His clock isn't working.
الساعة معلقة على الحائط.
The clock hangs on the wall.
The clock hangs on the wall.
جواز السفر.
The passport.
The passport.
لقد فقد جواز سفره.
He has lost his passport.
He has lost his passport.
أين ترك جواز سفره يا ترى؟
Where is his passport then?
Where is his passport then?
هم هن الخاص بهم بهن.
They. Their.
They. Their.
لا يستطيع الأطفال أن يوجدوا والديهم.
The children cannot find their parents.
The children cannot find their parents.
لكن ها هم الوالدان قادمون هناك.
Here come their parents.
Here come their parents.
أنتم كم الخاص بكم.
You. Your.
You. Your.
كيف كانت رحلة حضرتكم سيد ميلر؟
How was your trip, Mr. Miller?
How was your trip, Mr. Miller?
أين زوجة حضرتكم سيد ميلر؟
Where is your wife, Mr. Miller?
Where is your wife, Mr. Miller?
أنت ك حضرتك الخاص بك.
You. Your.
You. Your.
كيف كانت رحلة حضرتك مدام سميث؟
How was your trip, Mrs. Smith?
How was your trip, Mrs. Smith?
أين زوج حضرتك مدام سميث؟
Where is your husband, Mrs. Smith?
Where is your husband, Mrs. Smith?